Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're gonna look at A to Zatanna. Let's go! Okay, so we have here our box of Zatanna DC Comics, the new 52 version, which is also from the Justice League Dark DC Collectibles series. Okay, so but as always, before we look at a figure, since this is Pinoy Heroclix, let's look at a Zatanna Heroclix figure first. Okay, so this one is actually a remake of an old figure from Justice League Trinity War, if I'm not mistaken. A reuse means that the sculpt is the same, and I think this is the smaller sculpt. Okay, smaller scale sculpt. Okay, you can see Zatanna, okay, with her mystical flames on both hands and her cape. And let's take a look at what she does. So Zatanna is DC promo 20-103 with the keywords Justice League Dark, 7 soldiers, celebrity, and mystical. Okay. I wonder who are the 7 soldiers. Sounds like an episode in Justice League Unlimited. Real name is Zatanna Zatara, and she has a special damage power, stage magic once per turn. When a character within range and line of fire attacks, if the finalized attack roll is not a critical hit or critical miss, you may increase or decrease the result by 1. So it's like a perplex, but you can implement it after the finalized attack roll. So if you really need that roll to hit at a critical time, then Zatanna might be the solution to your problem. She has the Mystic Steam ability, and you can see facing teleport, precision strike, ESD on the top, and then towards the tail end, she does gain sidestep, Pensai, super senses, and regular perplex. At 35 points, 6 range, her significant appearance is Constantine number 4, 2013. So this was a 2020 release. I think it's still legal in modern, even in 2024, because this actually got delayed release, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so but anyway, we're happy to get this Zatanna because she is our favorite DC character. So let's move on to the main event, which is unboxing the Zatanna action figure. Okay, continuing with our mantra to unbox, to get and to buy more box. We have here from the sculpt of Karen Palinko. Okay, Collectibles. Okay, that's that information, where it's from. You can see here on the side the actual figure. At the back, other figures from the series. We have Constantine, we have Stargirl, and Hawkman. Collect them all if you want, but I'm only collecting Zatanna. And on the other side, the silhouette of Zatanna. Okay, so Justice League Dark. I hope they really make a Heroclix set or even a sub-team for Justice League Dark. We need a true modern Zatanna in Heroclix. Anyway, maybe in the Jurassic League set, Masters of Time, or maybe next year. But for now, let's open the figure. Okay, we're not gonna keep the box, so it's okay if we don't do a clean unboxing. Justice League Dark. Okay, I love this iteration of the Justice League that deals with the mystical part of Of course, Batman can be part of any team, including the Justice League Dark. But the true leader is Constantine. Okay. Swamp Thing, who else? Deadman, Zatanna, and all the other mysticals. Okay, let me see if I can get her out of her clamshell. This figure is going to go to my Zatanna shrine. Okay, I'm building one. Okay, and I can't seem to get her out. Let me see if I can cut it. Nope. It's also hard. I probably need scissors. Okay. By the way, this is based on her appearance in DC Comics, the new 52 Justice League Dark comes the Mistress of Magic, Zatanna. Okay, we got scissors. There you go, much better. It's really hard. This Zatanna is really tight. Let's just cut to it in. Oops, it's easy. The foot. Okay. Okay. So we finally got Zatanna out of her box. And you can see her beauty. Okay. I would have loved it if she had flame effects. Okay, but let's see if we can pose her like this Heroclix figure. Legs a bit open and arms up. Action pose. Okay, tight, very tight. And there you go. The cape is all right. Flexible. I like it that way. Okay, and that's the figure. Zatanna in Heroclix and not Marvel Legends, DC Collectibles version. This might be the best Zatanna I opened so far. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. For now, bye bye.